Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a tag making video featuring scrapdivadesigns.com. Here are the dies that I'm using. They're tag dies and they come with a set of stamps. So let's go ahead and get on in it. If you do not know who scrapdivadesigns.com is, here is her information, her Instagram, her YouTube, a hashtag. If you follow the hashtag, you will gain so much inspiration from talented crafters that have been crafting with her dies. So go ahead and give her a look and you will not be sorry. Okay, I'm also using the Halloween die from last month, and this is the circle tag die that I'm using. This die set also comes with some stamps and also comes with a set of dies. So I'm just using one of those dies. We are using all of our scraps. Grab all your scraps, grab all your stickers that you have, and also grab your acetate scraps. If you do not have acetate, I'm using these stickers as well. But if you have stickers, get them out. If you do not have acetate, you can use some laminator sheets, stamps. If you use StazOn, it will work fine just with laminator sheets. So I'm using acetate. I got a bunch of scraps. I always save it because acetate is one of that crafter's gold that you do not want to waste. And so I do have scraps laying around that I have, and so I just grabbed all of them out and die cut these miniature tags for Christmas, and they're gonna work perfectly. Here I'm showing you which die is which using the paper and the acetate, and also some glittered cardstock for Michaels by Recollections. And so that's what that looks like. So we're making these tags right here very simple and easy using your scraps, using leftover stickers. I did also use the cookies for Santa die to add some snowflakes to that tag there. And so we are just using hot glue with this. No need to fiddle with your bows and whatnot. Sometimes we like to tie our twine around the ribbon, but today we're using hot glue just to secure that in and make it so much easier for you. So here's my acetate. I'm using StazOn ink that I picked up for Michaels, and I also have my base here, and I'm just aligning it up, making sure that it's aligned. And so here I go using StazOn, stamping my stamp. And it says Merry Christmas. There it is. It doesn't come off. It doesn't smear at all. So if you need to add any names on this tag, you can do it on the back. It's completely blank. And I'm using this ribbon from Joann's that I picked up, I believe, last year. It is some stars on some burlap type of ribbon. And so here I do cut about a 7.5 inch length of ribbon, but you're going to need something smaller. For me, it's best to have a longer ribbon so I could snip off the excess when needed. So it's your preference, whatever you'd like, if you want a longer ribbon or not, or you could just cut it at the point that you would love. So all you would have to do is just fold the ribbon in half and decide and measure, eyeball it, measure where you want, and cut. So I'm using this twine from Michaels that I picked up a few years ago. So I'm sure they have some twine. It is Christmas season, and they usually pull that out during the season. Here I'm adding some glue to secure the bow down to the ribbon and the tag. So I love how it looks. So now I'm just going to snip off the excess of the twine, and I'm just eyeballing it here, and it says Merry Christmas. So now I'm just going to add a sticker and see how it goes. I want to see, I do have a few stickers. I have some puffy stickers and I have some flat stickers that are used for planners, so I will be using those stickers as well. So yeah, so get out your planner stickers, get out your puffy stickers, get out all your miniature stickers. I know we have leftovers all the time, and this is the perfect time to use those leftovers and your scraps. So in the die set, you also get this tag here. It's a present tag, And I love it. It comes with the base, it comes with the layering piece. And so I chose to use some glitter cardstock from Michaels by Recollections. And I'm also using that circle die from last month that came for the Halloween season. It's a circle die. You can use any circle die you'd like. I chose to use scrapdivadesigns.com. I'm also using some Barely Arts glue to glue down that layering piece there. So you do have that option of gluing it down or not gluing it down. I'm also using a hole punch from Hobby Lobby, which I will be making a hole in that tag, and I'm going to run some twine through that hole, and you will see later how I do that. So here is the acetate, and I did stamp on it with Stays On. And you're able to write on that acetate as well using a Sharpie, so it will not smear. You can write someone's name, so it already has to and has from. Write someone's name and write who it's from, and using a Sharpie. So any color Sharpie would work with this. So here I'm doing a test run with the Sharpie just to show you that it will not smear. I grabbed a piece of acetate and I'm just writing to and from. And I chose to use this color. I just wanted to use this color. So there's to and from, rubbing it off, and it stays. So you're able to use Sharpies. I'm doing another tag for you, so I'm going to do that in fast mode and showing you that I'm using some planner stickers, and I'm using the Warm Winter Wishes stamp. So I do use most of the stamps, and I'm going to do all of my tags off camera and then show you later on in the video. So here I'm adding some sticker snowflakes here. So you are able to add whatever you'd like and just make it your own. And this is what I am doing for my tags. And also, oh, I do want to say that the stamping on acetate technique, I completely learned that from TikTok. However, I was told that Jennifer McGuire is the one that first came up with that technique. And so head on over to the card community and see what they have to offer. They have some type of new acetate that you're able to emboss on and use your heat tool gun on. So that is amazing. And I will have her linked below so you can check that out as well. So I am just using this technique on these tags. I thought it was super fun and something to get my scraps, using my scraps and using all the stuff that I have. I have so much Christmas stuff. I have a whole 2 bins, which is a lot for me. I'm sure a lot of crafters have so much more, but I'm trying to dwindle that down and get that to 1 bin. So hopefully I can do that. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm just adding my twine here, doing another tag, snipping off the excess as well. And you guys just have fun with your tags. Get your scraps out and use them. Perfect way to gift some tags. Also use in your own gifts as well as some craft fairs. Or add these tags to your scrapbooking layouts, even some journals. And you know what? This would also look nice on a card. So if you're making cards, you can add this present die on it as well, or add some tags inside a card and give it as some happy mail. So all the tags are done. Look at what I've done, and I'm also showing you the present one. I also switched up the colors for the twine and the string on that. So I just love the red. So red has been definitely something that I'm loving for Christmas this year. Last year I didn't use it so much, but this year I love it. So this concludes the video, you guys. These are the die sets with stamps, and here's scrapdivadesigns.com information. I loved how the stamps turned out. So I will see you guys in the next video, and I have a discount. V10 will save you. Bye.